Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021. Caption News on Alibala's new office in Nairobi, Kenya.
ORIMAS feed milling machines has recently successfully commissioned a feed mill of 10 TPH in Qatar.
Saudi Arabia's investment in 5 sectors has already been finalized in Bangladesh, Industries Minister.
Caption News on the American-Swiss Foundation's Thanksgiving to the CEO of Nestle.
Japan continues to be one of Malaysia's main source of foreign direct investment.
Types of pulses processing and machinery used for pulses processing in India.
New machine, factory extension, SGA, and MES, improved manufacturing and logistic.
Iron to supply to Qingdao Bohai Group a 6000 T/D soybean crushing line.
Interesting event by Titan Process Technic GmbH, online service series and meat grinding pros on April 27th. A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Space 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Tech is Tanpul, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.